Question is, what kind of praise opens doors? Number one, there are many secrets of the praise that will open the doors. But the first is that I'll mention here is consecrated praise. Praise that is coming in the beauty of holiness. Call it untainted praise, uncorrupted praise. Worship him in the beauty of holiness, not in the ugliness of iniquity. Psalm 29 verse 2. Number 2, unconditional praise. The kind of praise you are not consulting your situation before you worship. These people had very terrible situation in the prison. They had beaten them, their backs were bleeding. Acts chapter 16 verse 25 and 26. If they were to look at their condition, they wouldn't have praised. But they despised their situation to release their praise. Unconditional praise.